Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a look inspired by a couple of my favorite makeup artists, Nikki Makeup on Instagram and also Charlotte Tilbury. I love a good glowy, bronzy look and Ashley is going to be the perfect model for it. So yeah, cool. So this is my beautiful model Ashley today. She's fabulous. So the first step of our look, we're going to be using the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. She is already well hydrated, but I like a little bit of moisture under the eyes. For concealer, look up for me. All right, next we're going to be priming the skin with a liquid highlighter. This is Champagne Pop by Becca. So we're gonna really concentrate on the high points of the face. Little face massage for Ashley this morning. So I'm mixing a couple of colors. I do this a lot because I can't carry all shades of foundation with me at all times. Crazy, right? Do, 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 do. Always drag foundation down the neck. We don't want to mark, what is it called, demarcation or something.
Like draw a line or whatever.
Yeah, because even if the foundation matches, like it's still gonna be, because nothing completely, because your skin is different colors, so. Yeah. And especially if you're doing like a beauty shot, you wanna
make sure it's all the same.
Yep. And then before I forget, I'm gonna also put some highlights on the collarbones. We're gonna be using mostly liquid and cream products because that keeps the skin really dewy and awesome. Do-do-do-do-do. All right, next we're dipping into one of my all-time favorite products. This is the Tom Ford Intensity 1. It is a cream contour. It is lovely and very expensive, but worth it, 100%. So we're just gonna kind of bronze up her face because this is like a warmer contour. And Ashley has an amazing bone structure already. So we're just enhancing it. Now she looks crazy. So crazy. Next, we're gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I like to dampen the face before I blend it because it makes it easier. Perfect. Please include those sound effects. Pow, pow.
It smells good.
Good. Just makes it easier to blend out. Do. Now we're doing concealer.
Conceal me up.
I like to bronze the face up before I do concealer because I like to see where I should brighten the face up. And then I'm gonna spray you again. Always with the dampening of products. Yes, so refreshing. I'm actually gonna do bronzer. I decided. bronzer is so nice. This is the Tom Ford Bronze Age bronzer, and it is Life.
Ooh.
Clearly I love Tom Ford. My last two products were Tom Ford. We're gonna zoom into the eyes next. Okay, so Ashley has the best eyebrows on the entire planet. So we are not gonna do a lot to them, but I am gonna put some clear brow gel by Anastasia. We're just gonna push them up. Oh yeah, that pushed up brow. I almost said bra.
Bra.
That push up bra. Oh my god, yes. You have like the best brows to do this with. Oh my god. It's like so satisfying.
Mm-hmm. What is this, clear?
Yeah. And I'm just gonna put a little powder in the like tiny spots where,
It's like bare.
yeah. And then we're just taking a little bit of Anastasia brow powder and filling in the tiny gaps. Oh my god, I live, I breathe for these eyebrows. Okay, so next we are using the Charlotte, because I drop it, Charlotte Tilbury Eye Set Mesmerize in the shade Jean. It is a beautiful champagne shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm using the Norvina palette, and then I'm dipping into the shade Incense. Just on the outer corner. Then I'm dipping into Eccentric. These are fun shade names.
They describe us.
Yep, totally. Gorge. And then look this way. Perfect. And then we're just gonna use this shade A Dreamer. Dreamer. Put it right here. Dip into Eccentric again, and then look up for me, outline this part, and connect it. We are going to be using the Bobbi Brown Gel Liner in Espresso ink. Doop, boop. There. Oh, it's pretty good. Actually, I have to like adjust it a couple times. Perfect. All right. Next one is eyelash curler. The eyelash curler. The eyelash curler. The torture device. See, look down. Some people have like heart attacks when I curl their lashes. Am I pinching you right?
Right.
Oh my god, your lashes are so nice. Next, we're doing using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Lashes Mascara.
Bad gal bang.
Bad Gal Bang. Because you got the most amazing lower lashes too. Look how long the lashes. Let me just check it out. Ooh, it is fierce. It is lovely.
It is Vogue.
It is so Vogue. We're dipping into Givenchy's, what is this called? Le Rouge Perfecto in shade 01. Oop, geez, that's my shoulder. This I love for model-esque looks because it just like mimics your lip color but a little bit better. And it's an awesome balm. It smells good too. Good. I like to douse people with water before I put highlight on. This is the Becca Champagne Pop. A
This
classic.
is the one you were telling me about.
Yes.
I should get that.
It's lovely. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, yes. So good. Wait till you see this glow. Turn around. Becca has the best highlighters, hands down.
I like champagne-y color.
Oh yeah, you're gonna love this. You gonna love it. Love it. And then we're just gonna dip into some lovely Nars blushes.
That's an awesome palette. There's so many.
Yeah, I usually like mix them too. Oh, this highlight is popping under these lights. Should always have those.
Champagne poppin'.
Hell yeah. Totally. Yep, you got this, girl. You totally got this. Testing. And this is our completed. This is our completed. I can never see, like the last one I said utter instead of other. And I was like, what's wrong with me?
This is our utter. And it is completed.
This is our finished look on the gorgeous and lovely Ashley. Oh, I guess I should say something like, oh, please subscribe and like this video. And let me know what you'd like to see next. Thumbs up.